Hello, welcome back to the Dungeon Manual. I'm your host Renee, and today we are doing the last and fourth part of the Icewind Dale Rime of the Frostmaiden unboxing. This is the fourth brick of a case around 4 bricks, and in every brick there are 8 boosters with 4 miniatures. Then I quickly unwrap the foil and cut the tapes, so then we can start with our unboxing. See you soon! So, up to the last part, starting with booster number 1. And here's our third winter wolf. So we got a little group of winter wolves, which could be ended in a nice encounter. And I think that's our third or maybe even fourth flint trapper. Love it. Also very strong knolls, but you can use them as standard knolls too. Here is a small Yeti tyke. And here is our fourth knucklehead trout. Love the design with the water splash there. And that's for booster number 1. You should stay till the end. I got a special surprise as we start with booster number 2. And here we got our Goliath werebear. I do not butcher the name of the werebear, but this is our third one as I unpack our 4th or 5th down Kobold Mountaineer. But 5th, 10th, it's a kobold. You can't have enough. And here we got Xodorok Sunblight. A Durgar dwarven king, I would say. I don't know how he comes, how he appears in the adventure. And here we have a ragged nomad with a spear. That's our 4th one, I think. And that was booster number 2. Then I think I take this one. Okay. There are falling things in there. Oh yeah, that's our 4th reindeer. So we got a little horde. Yeah, love it. Just to get a setting right, animals are pretty cool. There's a Yeti type. Or maybe you will play a reindeer horde is attacked by a wolf pack and your heroes try to protect them. Yeah, it's a very easy encounter and a cool side quest after you unpack the Goliath Barbarian. I think that's our 4th one. And here we got another sled dog. Woohoo, one more and we have 4 sled dogs for a sled. That would be cool. Then let's go to the next one. Number 4. Oh, that's a miniature we do not get till now. That's a saber-toothed cat? It's a crack cat. Cool miniature. Is it one of the rare ones? I don't know. And here we got another knucklehead trout. That should be our 5th. I'm pretty sure about that. And here is our third or fourth wolf. I don't know. I think it's the third. I didn't had so much wolves, but yeah, it's okay. It's enough for a small wolf pack. As we get our fourth vampire spawn, cohort vampire spawn. Love it. And you can easily use it as a cohort too. So cool little cat. Love it. Nice design. Maybe even good to use as a druid character. Then up to the next one. And we got a Yeti. And this is also complete with all fingers. Love it. Love it. Here you can see the back of the creature. Love the fur. Here there's a Durgar Stone Guard, I think, is it? Yep, Durgar Stone Guard. And here we have another rare figurine, Ness Landermere. I do not know where this figure appears in the adventure, but that's not so important. You have the figure if you need her. I think it's a her. But what do I know? It's a cool, very, very cool miniature for nearly everything. And here we got another mountain goat. I think it's the fourth one. Then let's go further. And that's our fourth killer whale. So really, we have a small killer whale school right now. Love it. It's gonna be good encounters for. Those are gonna be good encounters in the sea, and that's our fifth Durgar Mindmaster. I think about a cool encounter with all those. And here is a human hunter. Nearly the same as the trapper. But you can use something like that. And up to the next one. That's another frost salamander. Love it. Love this long creature. Very cool design. Very sleek. And here we got those little gnome squidlings again. It looks so funny when they run on their chin tentacles. And this is Auroch number 4? 5? Wow, I don't know. Oh, I've got a lot of Aurochs, but I love it. I just love it. That's our fourth snow gnome. Not gnome, snow goblin. Cool, love it. I got some goblins to kill. And then up to the last booster. And here we got finally the young white dragon. Okay, that's a bit work to do because it's standing on the claw there. And here are the wings. Creature has slots on both sides to slot those in. Yeah, but I think those should be glued in. Yeah, they're not fitting that well, but it's okay. I have to get this foot down here. But I love the scales. I love the scales. And there are our 5th Goliath Barbarian. It's so big to this young white dragon. That's our 5th Ragged Nomad with a cage. I'm looking for the cage all the time, but yep. And here is our 3rd Night Hag. So we can have a small coven of Night Hags. Yeah. And if you liked this unboxing video series about a complete case of unboxing, subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments which case you want to see next. And I will look if it's possible for me to do that. As you maybe can suggest, I have to buy them myself. So those are very expensive. I buy that by mtgandmore.de in Germany here. And I was always very, very pleased with the things. And this is some extra I got with the booster case. And here you can see those orc skeleton promo figures. Love it. Just love it. More orcs. And here they're skeletons, so they're super flexible in usage. I love this one with those 2 giant axes. Yeah. That's a bit harder in the box, but also with a cool 2-handed axe. Yeah, very cool. Love this one the most, absolutely. Here with this small little rotten shield on the sword. I love those kind of creatures where you can use it as an orc and as a skeleton. The most skeletons you get are human, maybe elves. Seldom there are dwarves and gnomes, but I think orcs, goblins, kobolds, gnolls, those are very interesting because those are often enemies of the group, and so you can use them very versatile. And that was all for today. As I said, consider subscribing to the channel. Leave me down in the comments a suggestion for maybe a next case. And as always, thank you for your support. See you the next time. Bye.